Hey YouTube, welcome to another video, and I have an unboxing and whatever video. Okay, here we go. Let's see what's in this Amazon package. Open this up real quick. Oh, look at here. We got a Rough Ryder knife. Nice. Oh, that's what we got. Let's see what we got. All right. Boom. Open it right up. Nice. Let's look at this bad boy. Looks like the fit and finish is pretty good. Okay, so this is the Rough Ryder camp knife. I was going to get the Rough Ryder Camp King, but I don't like the bottle opener that's on there. It really doesn't work well. If you ever want a review video of that, look at Tobias video on the Rough Ryder King knife. He explains how the actual can opener doesn't work very well, so that's why I didn't get that. I do like the way that one looks, but this one doesn't look too bad either. I like the classic jig bone look. Let's see what it all comes with. It comes with a bottle lifter and screwdriver. Nice, pretty sturdy screwdriver, solid, no blade play there, pretty solid. Okay, comes with the main blade. Feels a little, I don't know, it's hard to explain. It kind of feels a little lethargic there, but doesn't snap open. Snaps closed. Got the can opener here, the old antique style can opener. The way it works is you poke a hole, you poke a hole in the can, and then you go in and you lift up like this around the rim of the can. So from what I hear, it doesn't work very well, but I think it'll work just fine if you need to open a can in an emergency with this. All right, so we got the main blade, screwdriver, can opener, and over here we have a awl. And this is what I like about this knife the best, is having something to punch a hole and drill holes. Okay, so that's real nice. Let's look at this blade again. Yeah, I'm not too keen on the way it opens. It's pretty, I don't know, doesn't snap open. It has a, I guess it's all right. Feels sharp. Let's see if it can punch its way out of its own bag. Oh yeah, that feels pretty good. Let's compare that to the Swiss Army knife blade. Let me get that blade open here. Yeah, not as smooth actually. Oh yeah, a lot smoother. Then again, it's brand new, so it should be pretty sharp. Let's see if it can handle something like something harder, and see if it'll carve. Yep, it'll carve. It's taking chunks out. Yep. So as a real knife, it works. It's sharp. Feels very sharp actually. Pretty toothy too. Oh yeah, that's pretty sharp. So I think not only is it antique-ish and looks pretty cool and nice, it actually serves as a real knife. So that's nice. Yep. The reason I got it from Amazon instead of Smoky Mountain Knife Works, and if you get it from Smoky Mountain Knife Works, you usually get like stickers and literature on the stuff. You know, you get. I'm sure the person I ordered this from, this may even be used. I don't know if it's brand new or used. I don't know, but you know, it's obvious that you're not going to get the full customer treatment that you would if you got it from Smoky Mountain Knife Works direct, which, you know, they send you stickers and stuff like that. But you know, I ordered this through Amazon because I couldn't find it on Smoky Mountain Knife Works website. Most of their knives are sold out. So that's another thing. I mean, I think the secondary market they're just buying these up so they can sell it on Amazon or sell it on eBay and make profits. Because this knife here cost me $20. I think a little bit over $20. Normally, this knife is anywhere from $15 to $18, you know, but you know, these days, people want to make money, so they charge a little bit more. So I paid a little bit more to get it, but then again, you know, I did try to buy it from Smoky Mountain Knife Works, but like I said, I couldn't find it on their website. I don't even know if they sell this one anymore or not. But I tell you what, I like it. I've been liking it even before I got it because I've been looking at review videos and you know, this can opener, the tip is sharp, the body right here is not. So it's mainly for opening cans, but you could use this for almost anything, I guess, other than just opening cans. Yeah, I like it. I like the screwdriver, bottle lifter screwdriver. You could actually use this point here. It's not sharp, but it's thin enough and sharp enough where you can use it as a scraper, you know, pry tool and screwdriver, multifunctional tool there. So I like that, and I like I like the length of it, and the bottle opener definitely works. I know it does. I like the bail. It gives it that nice touch. You know, I could attach a lanyard to it or put it on my key ring or whatever. So yeah, so I might even try to EDC this for a while just to see how I like carrying it around. But the weight it's pretty hefty, you know. And like I said, the blade so far, I guess because it's brand new, is definitely cutting smoother than this Victorinox blade. You know, this Victorinox blade is still, you know, you can still use it to carve. It'll still do the job of a knife, you know. Like I said, it doesn't cut as smooth as this knife here. This blade is surprisingly pretty smooth. Yep, cuts pretty good, you know. So let's see how it cuts thicker paper here. Yep. That's all you really need a knife for, a pocket knife to do, right? So yeah, I'm liking it. I like the way it looks. I like the old-fashioned slip joint look. Take a nice look at that workmanship there. I hate to say this, but I've owned a case knife before, and I was never really thoroughly impressed with case knife sharpness or its ability to cut. I had a case Barlow before, and I was never really that impressed with that knife. But I have yet to have a Rough Ryder that totally disappoints me. They do its job, and the workmanship is pretty darn good for the money you're spending. Definitely gonna. I think my next project is gonna be making a cargo pants organizer or belt organizer or EDC organizer of some sort to be able to carry a traditional folder like this, among other things. So that's what I'm probably gonna do next. But that's it, folks. This is my new addition to my collection. I am going to try to carry this in some manner, and report back to you and give you an update on how this knife performed. And as you can see, it's pretty sharp, pretty good. Yep. I just wish this knife would snap open like the other Rough Ryder knives do. But this is a pretty dull action. That's about the only complaint I have. But like I said, it's a slip joint, so you know, it is what it is. But like I said, it'll snap close. And I think that's a testament to the back springs here. It's pretty solid looking, don't you think? All right, folks, thanks for watching. If you like this kind of videos, like and subscribe, and catch you on the next one.